All right, so I found 8 AI jobs that pay as much as $10,000 a month. And despite what you hear about AI taking out jobs, they still need people to run AI. So AI support roles are still very much human workers like you and me. And so in this video, I'm going to discuss 8 AI jobs that pay as much as $10,000 a month. Starting with this here from Invisible AI, and they're looking for a head of customer operations. So Invisible AI is actually paying $152,000 a year for a full-time remote customer support operations head. So as a head of customer operations with Invisible AI, you will play a critical role in bringing the company's vision to life, and your responsibilities will span across multiple domains, including customer relations management, post-sales implementation, and device service and support. This role pays $152,000 a year. And in terms of what you would do, just looking at a few here, you would take a new customer post-sales to fully deploy and coordinate the placement, installation, and bring up to 1,000 of new devices. You would train customers in their products and develop and train services organizations that can continue to engage with them as the workforce turns over. If you want to know more about the company Invisible.ai, is that company. The role requires 30% travel. So if that's something that you're into, that's great. It's also a very remote role. And again, this is general administration. Like we said, this role pays between $152 to $190,000 a year. The link is down below in the description. We have 7 more to get to. I don't want to spend too much time in these roles, but I'm going to leave the links down below in the description. If this is one that you're interested in, go ahead and click the link and apply. And by the way, this is your cue, if you are not subscribed to the channel, to go ahead and subscribe. Because if you go down to click the link and it says job not available, that's because you're not subscribed and you're not getting updates when I drop these videos, because they're fire. So subscribe to get these leads first hand. The second job we're going to be looking at is with Atoy, ATOY, and it's a blockchain developer. Now, Atoy is paying $125,000 a year as a junior blockchain developer, and this is a fully remote position. Now, they are seeking a blockchain developer that is experienced with NFT platform and passionate about democratizing cryptocurrency and bringing blockchain technologies to the masses. The ideal candidate would be prepared to recommend NFT platform to fork as a foundation to create their own and work with their development team to see projects through the technical strategy and the entire software development lifecycle. So if you can contribute to design and development of the state-of-the-art democratizing rendering platform, that's something that they're looking for. If you can demonstrate solid programming skills, you will be great for this position. You can perform testing, source control, and documentation, and write, test, and deploy Ethereum smart contracts. You'll be great for this position. In terms of qualifications, education in cryptocurrency, you can learn that on YouTube. Experience and interest in distributed and decentralized systems is preferred. So that's something that's preferred, but that's something that you should absolutely know. If you've worked successfully in a team, in a remote environment, because this job is remote, that's also great. Again, this job pays $125,000 a year, and this would Atoy as a blockchain developer. The link is down below. It says remote, but it says in Los Angeles. Watch my previous video about how you can land remote jobs and why this is so important. Why, when this says remote and Los Angeles, why that's important. Watch my previous video on why that's important. Even though it says remote, it lists a city, specific city. So it's a full-time position. Visas are not sponsored. It's in the United States. They require 2 years experience. Remote, $125,000. This next one is in a company called Lambda, and they're looking for a support engineer. So Lambda is seeking a cloud support engineer lead, and the compensation ranges from $100,000 to $110,000. This is a remote position. Now, what you'll be doing is being the first point of contact for all incoming technical support questions, including phone, email, chat, forums, troubleshoot software and hardware issues, document solutions to common problems, and test potential future products and provide feedback. If you have Linux administration experience, Shell, Python scripting proficiency, excellent written and oral communication, knowledge of basic computer hardware, especially GPUs, you'll be great for this position. It's nice to have ML, AI, and deep learning experience with Windows 10, 11 desktop troubleshooting, but that's not hard required. There's a little bit more about Lambda, the company here. One thing that stands out to me is this 401k plan and flexible pay time off plan that will actually be useful to you. This one, it says here $60,000 to $90,000, but you can argue for that 100, going up to 100. The link is down below in the description. Again, the company is Lambert, and it's a support engineer. This one is fully remote, and it's both in the United States as well as in Canada. So a little bit of, my international folks. This next one is with a company called TELUS International. It's a company that we've talked about on this channel, and they're looking for an AI operations manager. Salary range is 122 to 153 annually. Primary location is home, so this is a remote position, and it's United States based. So my folks in the United States, you definitely want to check this link out. It's down below in the description. Here's the rec number, so you know it's real. The AI operations manager will be responsible for managing day-to-day operations of a defined global customer account. So you will work with their team and account leadership team to improve all areas related to processes, people, and technology. In terms of responsibilities, you will manage and deploy project management standards and methodologies, establish and monitor KPIs and QBR processes internally, as well as lead, coach, support a team. So you're actually managing a team. If you have experience managing a team, this is one that you will flourish with in terms of succeeding for this position. As you can see, the barrier of entry is a little bit steep. 6 to 9 years experience in project management, 5 to 6 years experience in leading and managing teams. So this is a little bit of a managerial, not entry level, not mid level, but experienced position. That's why it's going up there to the 150. So if you're interested in this one, TELUS International is actually a company that if you're watching it at this point of the video, you're like, dang, listen, this job's too elite for me. You want to bookmark this very company because they have tons of jobs. All the jobs are remote. Job types is one tab that you want to check out, as well as all jobs is another tab that you want to check out. If you are made it to this point of the video and you're like, listen, this job's not for me, definitely check out TELUS International. I have another video solely on this company on the channel, so look for that one and bookmark this company. All right, so if you've been keeping track, we are at number 5, and this one is a data partnership lead with Runway. Runway is the name of the AI company, and this one is fully remote in the United States, and it pays $140,000 to $200,000. That's a data partnership lead, and the company is Runway. So what this job involves is, as a head of partnership at Runway, you will identify strategic partnerships of various kinds and negotiate and close these in order to achieve business growth at Runway. So making the company shine, making the company grow. Manage strategic pipelines of partnerships, including identifying, prospecting, and inbound outreach negotiations, and close. So you basically are making calls and closing deals to expand Runway, and that is the exact need that this company Runway has for data partnership lead. In terms of what you should know, some candidates hear back from applications within 2 weeks. 86% of employees grow in a 12-month span when they join this company, and this is according to Glassdoor. They have 5 reviews, so go check that out if you want to know more. The company is into B2C, retail, enterprise, machine learning, software as a service, and video. So Runway is a AI video creation platform. That is company number 5. We are moving on to company number 4. Company number 4 is Candy Solutions Inc. And the job for this one is actually on Glassdoor. I couldn't find the careers link on the company's actual website, so you're gonna have to see this one through Glassdoor. It's an easy apply if you have a Glassdoor account. And the job is a machine learning engineer. This one pays $70 to $75 per hour. So you're making as much as $75 per hour. And as a DevOps, you will be responsible for leveraging DevOps principles such as collaboration and automation for data administration workflows. So machine learning workloads, along with partnering with the senior members of the team to unify development, security, and operations role. So in terms of responsibilities at Candy Solutions Incorporated, as a machine learning engineer, you will build and maintain data pipelines for analytics, build and maintain infrastructures as code, and improve the creation of dependable releases. They have a ton more other operations and responsibilities that you would do here. One thing to point out is it's 70% development and 30% operations. So these are things that if you have skills and experience in, you want to include it in your resume. Or if you're interested in this job, this is skills and experiences that you want to gain through YouTube, through certifications, and through means like that. More technical competencies that they're looking for here. and basic qualifications. One that stands out to me is minimum of 8 to 10 years IT experience and a bachelor's degree in computer science. 8-hour shift Monday through Friday, and it's remote. Job number 2 is a senior manager in strategy and operations with Include Health. So this job is fully remote and is full-time. Now, about this position as a senior manager within the general management team is focused on all included care and navigations. You will be working on a wide range of complex business needs of rapid scaling business. You will leverage your analytical problem solving skill set and outside the box thinking to deliver insightful data and analysis, model out various business scenarios, and define and monitor key business metrics and initiatives. This is more of a senior managerial role. In terms of what they pay, it's $151,000 to $208,000 a year. These jobs are big boy jobs. This is an AI, $10,000 a month plus job. This are, a little bit more than what people who normally watch my channel are into, but I definitely wanted to highlight these for people who into this kind of jobs. Or if you're watching you right now, you're like, listen, man, I'm tired of doing the inbound phone calls and different things like that. I want to make big boy money. These are the kind of jobs that they are looking for out there, companies, and these are the kind of money that they are paying out there. So get these skills if you don't have them, and start building experiences, start climbing up those ladders. But if you want to be a senior manager in strategy and operations, Include Health is looking for you. It's a remote position, it's full-time, and they are paying almost $210,000 a year. Bringing it home at number 1, Milos is looking for a director of data and analysis. Now this job was just posted a day ago. Over 200 people already applied, so you want to jump on this one. This is the LinkedIn official job posting. The link is down below if you want to click that. Just a little bit more about the position. The director of data and analytics, I've been speaking a lot. It's responsible for managing the data team and data infrastructure activities, including development of enterprise data and analytics resources, SQL optimization for enterprise system, and deployment of enterprise data models. So a little bit more about what you will be doing here. And in terms of compensation, they do not specify that, but I'm going to see if I can find it, and I'm going to put it next to the link down below in the description. But this is job number 1, and we just went through 8 different jobs in AI that are paying as much as $10,000 a month. If you're interested in any one of these, the link is down below in the description. Share this with somebody who might be if you aren't, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.